Dear students, today we are going to talk about law admission test, LAT. LAT test is a test which is conducted by HEC for the admission to the classes of LLB. The requirement for LAT test is intermediate. Either you have passed intermediate or you have taken the exams and you are waiting for your result. You qualify for the taking a LAT test. So LAT test is of 100 marks. 25 marks are of subjective portion and 75 marks are of MCQs. So the MCQs are consisted of 20 marks for English, 20 marks for general knowledge, 10 marks for Urdu, 10 marks for Pak studies and 10 marks for Islamic studies and 5 marks for maths. So this is the division of marks. You have to take 50% marks to qualify for LLB admission. The 25 marks are for 15 marks for essay and 10 marks for personal statement. So you can attempt personal statement and essay either in English or Urdu. So keep in mind, answer both the questions in English or Urdu. It's your choice in which language you are going to attempt these two questions.